Hi everybody! Today I'm recreating one of the most iconic street foods from New York City, shawarma, but in a vegetarian version. Let's see how close we can get to the original, if it's even possible. Stay with me to see the result. If this works, it's going to be a great option for anyone who doesn't eat meat or is trying to cut back, like me, but still misses those bold street food flavors. Welcome to my channel, Cooking Show at Home. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more vegetarian versions of classic dishes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. First, let's make the marinade. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon white vinegar. Now, mince 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Quick tip, this is one of my favorites. To peel garlic fast, place the cloves in a bowl, cover it, and shake it hard for about 10 to 20 seconds. Just like that. Perfectly peeled garlic. Now clean off any loose skin and press it into the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, optional cayenne pepper to taste. Mix everything well. Instead of chicken or lamb, I'll be using Beyond Meat steak tips. Add the Beyond Meat, about 2 packs, roughly 8 ounces total. Coat it evenly and let it marinate for at least 1 hour, or overnight in the refrigerator for best flavor. Next, let's make the famous halal white sauce. In a bowl, mix 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 juice of 1/4 lemon, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon dried parsley. Mix well and adjust salt if needed. Now for the salad. Traditionally, shawarma is served with shredded iceberg lettuce, diced tomatoes, and sweet onions. Since tomatoes aren't always great year-round, I'm using about a dozen cherry tomatoes. They're more reliable and usually sweeter. I'll also add some diced fresh parsley. Once the plant-based meat is marinated, it's time to cook. Heat a large skillet with just a little oil. Add the Beyond Meat and cook on medium-high heat for about 12 to 15 minutes. Important, don't stir it for the first 2 to 3 minutes. Let it develop a nice char. After that, stir occasionally until fully cooked. At the end, add some white sauce and, optionally, hot sauce. For serving, use pita bread. Reheat it on the same skillet. No need to wash it. All the leftover juices will add extra flavor. Heat for about 2 minutes on one side, press slightly, then flip and heat the other side. Now assemble it the classic New York street cart way. Add the meat, salad, white sauce, and optional hot sauce. Wrap it in aluminum foil to keep everything warm and packed together. Like this. Serve hot and enjoy. Let me know in the comments, would you try this vegetarian shawarma? And what should I recreate next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.